Actually, one of the goals of our organization for the year 2007 is really to be part of the green program. And one of the initiatives that we were thinking of is doing the tree planting for this year. Basically, this is the first time that we're doing it for the entire organization.
Very refreshing that a company giving us a chance to help out our environment, especially in tree planting. And this way we'll be able to help out the watershed.
I will encourage other workmates as well to join tree planting.
This is a long-term plan for the organization. So probably we'll have it again by next year. But we will have more programs for the tree planting, for the green initiative.